In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam's slow disk usage in just 5 minutes. If you've been having issues with slow downloads or general sluggishness when using Steam, this guide will help you troubleshoot and address the problem effectively. First, we need to open your Steam app. Locate the Steam icon on your desktop or in your start menu and simply double click it to launch the application. Once Steam opens, you'll want to log into your account if you're not already. Click on the login button and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, enter your account name and password in the respective fields. After successfully entering your credentials, click on the sign in button. This will take you to your Steam homepage where all the magic happens. Now move your attention to the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the Steam menu. Click on it and a drop down will appear. From this menu, navigate to settings and give it a click. In the settings window, look for the downloads section on the left hand side. Select it and you'll find the option to clear download cache. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation message. Go ahead and confirm your choice. Clearing the download cache can resolve various download related issues as it removes outdated or corrupted data from previous downloads. Once you've cleared the cache, restart Steam as prompted, reopen the Steam application and log back into your account. With a fresh start, go back into the downloads section under settings. Now let's make another adjustment, the download region. Switch this setting to a region that is closest to your geographical location. This can help optimize your download speeds by connecting you to a more efficient server. While we're still in settings, it's a good idea to check for any pending Steam client updates. Having the latest version ensures that you're running the most optimized and bug-free iteration of Steam. Remember, keeping your software up to date can solve a myriad of issues without further troubleshooting. Next, we'll dive into some manual adjustments. Open your File Explorer and navigate to This PC. From here, head to your Windows C drive and then proceed into the Program Files x86 folder. Inside, locate the Steam folder. Once you're in, find the app cache folder. We're going to delete the app cache, don't worry, Steam will recreate it the next time it needs to. Finally, restart Steam once more. Upon relaunching, these steps should have significantly improved the performance of your downloads and overall application responsiveness. By following this guide, you've tackled several common issues that contribute to slow disk usage in Steam. Test out these changes by downloading a game or two, and you should notice a marked improvement in speed and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you enjoy a smoother Steam experience.